Okay, today it's all about the TI15 calculator. You can see that here, and we are going to look at how to put a fraction into the calculator, how to add fractions, and how to simplify. First thing we need to do is turn the calculator on. So you hit the on button, and I can see right here that it is on. However, I can also see from this arrow right here in the top that there are things saved in the memory. So I'm going to do double thumbs. Double thumbs is where I push both the clear button and the on button at the same time, and it tells me memory cleared. Then I hit clear again and I'm ready to start. So I like to call that double thumbs. Okay, to add fractions, well, before we can add fractions, I guess we have to learn how to input fractions. So let's say that I wanted to put the fraction 1/4. It's super simple to do. I just hit 1, and then up here are our fraction keys. This says unit. That would be the whole. N, of course, stands for numerator, and D stands for denominator. So if I want 1/4, that has a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 4. So 1N, and look, it puts the fraction sign there, and then 4D. That shows me 1/4. Now, if I wanted to add 3/8 to that, I have my fraction of 1/4. I would say plus, and then now I need to do the fraction 3/8. 3n, because 3 would be the numerator, 8d. And then I'm ready for the equal sign, and let's see what I get. 5/8. Now, can 5/8 be simplified? No, you know that it can't, but it won't hurt to try just to make sure if you don't believe me. Right here is the simplify button, and if I hit simp, it gives me that S, and then enter, and look, after I tried to simplify, it still remained 5/8. 5/8 will not simplify because 5/8 is in simplest form. Let's try another one. I'm going to hit clear, and now I'm going to add 1/2 plus 1/4. So 1 numerator, 2 denominator, plus 1 numerator, 4 denominator, equals, and I get 3/4. Let's do one more. Let's do, try not to make you too dizzy, but let's do 2 numerator, 8 denominator, so that's 2/8, plus, let's say 4/8. 4 numerator, 8 denominator. Now, hopefully, because this one's a super easy one to add, it has like denominators. So we know that it's 6/8. Let's see if it is. It is, but now I've got to show you something really important. Let me get the calculator really close. Notice this time in our answer, if you can see it just a little bit, right up here above the answer, it says capital N over capital D and an arrow little n over little d. I want to write up here on the board what it says. It gave me the answer of 6/8, but above it says N over D and then the arrow and a little n over the little d. When you see an answer like this, let me bring this back again, with that N over D above the fraction answer, that means that it's not in simplest form. it will simplify. So I'm going to hit simp again and enter. And look, it did. 6/8 simplified to 3/4. It's kind of hard to see with the glare on the calculator, but that symbol n over d, arrow little n over little d, is gone. That means that it is now in simplest form. But remember I said if you don't trust yourself or you don't trust the calculator, hit simp again. Simp. So now we're simplifying 3/4. Enter, and look at our answer. 3/4, when we try to simplify it, remains 3/4 because it is in simplest form. Now you're going to try a few.